welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, hi, my name is Komal and this is my channel K Lifestyle. As you all have must read the title of this video, so in this video I will be sharing around 9 to 10 products which are under only rupees 500. So let's move into the video. The first product that we have is a face wash, and this is from Biotic and it costs you 135 rupees only, and you guys can see 135 mein you are getting this larger tube or bottle, and as it says it is 100% soap free, and जो उसके ingredients है वो है tomato fruit, ananas fruit and Rita fruit, and you know many things which are very nice for your skin. And इसमें this is 150 ml bottle and I think only 135 rupees में 130 ml मिलना is a big deal. The second product that we have is a scrub, and this scrub is from Himalaya, and this is a neem scrub. I have been using this scrub around 2 to I think 3 months, 2 or 3 months हो गए हैं इसको use करते हुए, and it cost me only 135 rupees, and you can see 135 में you are again getting a larger tube. It is very good for skin, you know, like अगर आपके skin पे dark spots हैं, acne हैं, और अगर dark circles हैं या जो भी आपकी skin अगर damage है, तो obviously neem is the best, and this is the neem scrub. इस range में you can get neem face wash, neem face pack as well, but here I have only this neem scrub. So now the third product I have is this Biotic face pack, and this is Bio Fruit Whitening Depigmentation Tan Removal Face Pack, and the price of this one is only 75 rupees, and I have used this enough. Like it has a pink kind of color, pink and peach color. You can apply this around 15 or 20 minutes, and then you can rinse this with the water, or you can also, you know, just tap a wet towel or wet tissue, but I prefer to wash with a water only. This product I have is something, if you are a spa person, if you know go to spa or salons, and if you like to have a massage, then this product is like a savior for you. This is from Wadi Herbals Massage Fruit Cream, and it cost me is only rupees 115, and this is the key ingredients of this one is apple, papaya and coconut butter. I have been using around 1 or 2 months, and तो इसको लगाने के बाद इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है कि आप अपना फेस को धोएं, like it's totally up to you, but what I do whenever I massage my face, I just keep, you know, just मैं इसको at least 10 to या 15 या 20 मिनट तक मैं इसको अपने फेस पे जस्ट इसको रब करती रहती हूँ, मसाज करती रहती हूँ till ये मेरे स्किन में अंदर अपने आप ना जाए, and then after that just I just take a normal kind of tissue or a towel and I just dab my skin. That's it. I don't want to wash my face, but if you want to, you can totally do that. Next what we have is my personal favorite, and this is Hip Hop Skincare Cleansing Charcoal Nose Strip, and the price of this one is rupees 99, and in 99 rupees you will get around 3. So I have been using this product since around 5 to 6 months, and trust me, it helps me to remove my blackheads. I have like huge blackheads all over my nose, and it is like a savior for me. It helps me literally. So yes, if you also want to get rid of a whitehead or blackhead, you must try this one, and you can easily get this on Nykaa or maybe on Amazon. I'm not sure, but you will easily get this one on Nykaa. Till now I have showed you 5 products which are like you can do after your makeup, and after doing these steps you also need to, you know, give your skin some moisturization. So the next 5 products are related to that, so keep on watching. 6th product that we have is Patanjali aloe vera gel, and this is only rupees 90 rupees, and 90 rupees में this is like a huge, and I have been using this around a year or around 1 or 2 years, and I love this product. I have used 2 or 3 aloe vera gel from different brands. Obviously I'm not going to take their name, but I personally don't like it. You can, if you, I mean, you can use anything of your choice, but I like this one. One product that we have is the moisturizer from Biotech, and this is Bio Morning Nectar moisturizer, and it cost me only rupees 199 rupees. I have been using this also around 2 to 3 months only, not 2 to 3 months, more than I think 5 to 6 months, and this is like a savior for me. It is literally very good, and yes, this is for all skin types. An oily person can also use this one. So this is very thin and light-weighted moisturizer. If you are looking for something, you know, जिसका काफ़ी texture light हो, because you know, as you know, Delhi में इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी रहती है during May, June and July, so obviously you don't want to apply something which will give you more sweat. So yes, this product is like good to go. The 7th product that we have is a toner, and this toner is also from Biotech range, and it cost me rupees 107, and as it says, this is pore tightening toner, and अगर आपकी skin normal है, dry है, sensitive है या oily है, you all can use it. This is for all skin type, and obviously if you have a open pore, or even if you don't have, you can use this toner. Now the second last product I have is a rose water, and I have this छोटू सा cute सी bottle. I also have the bigger one. उसका भी price around 70 rupees है, so you can also check that out. And इसका price है only rupees 30. I use this as a spray, so I have this spray bottle, and मैंने अपना रोज़ वाटर इसमें डाल दिया है. सो whenever I just want something, you know, fresh, I just take this and spray this. So this is a good to go. And rose water में I think सबसे जो highest range है, this is from, sorry I forget to tell, this is from Gulabari, and this one cost me rupees 30 only. So the last product that we have is the lip balm, and this lip balm is from Nykaa. This is a lip crush macaroon lip balm in the flavor mint, and it cost me rupees 200. It was on sale, or maybe वैसे भी इसका price usually 225 250 तक ही रहता है. So yes, this is a good to go. Yes guys, ये था मेरा आज का वीडियो. I have showed you around 10 products, and I think this product will help you if you are not looking for, you know, high-end brand products, or अगर you can't afford. So yes, these products are under 500 rupees, and trust me, I have been using these products. I will not make a video on something which I don't use. So yes guys, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also I will be linking all the product details in the description box below, so you can check that out. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, or if you want to add me on Snapchat, here's the link. So that's all for today's video. Bye bye and take care.